Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to withdraw your money on G2A platform. So guys, to withdraw money, what you have to do, you have the withdraw method verification. You have the Pioneer, you can accept a Pioneer and Skrill and bank transfer. What you have to do guys on your Pioneer, just until your account be activated and link your Pioneer, and on your bank account you can just add your proof, your document details, name, bank and account details. For example guys, you have balance and you can withdraw balance. You have bank transfer and Pioneer and Square and Bitcoin. Just click this option. If you have balance in your account, just click payout, or you can exchange your balance. Click this payout option. If you have money and you have bank transfer to withdraw and you have Bitcoin and you have Pioneer or Square, just click withdraw option here, as you can see here on the screen guys. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching guys.